Thank you for downloading the KOL Pulse Chrome extension. Once you install the KOL Pulse Chrome extension, it will appear in the bottom right corner of your browser window when you are in the X platform. This Chrome extension will only work on the X platform. To activate the Chrome extension, you just click on the KOL Pulse icon in the bottom right. From here, all you need to do is scroll over the X username of a physician from the US and you will get data on their open payments history. You could click on the link to open payments to get access to the raw data coming from the openpayments.gov website, or you can scroll across and utilize the various tools to look at food and beverage, travel, the overall trend of the payments history of this physician. For top KOLs, you can also click on the Trials tab. The Trials tab will give you a quick look into their tweets on top clinical trials within their specialty. For Dr. Banerjee, his specialty is multiple myeloma. These are some of the most important trials regarding multiple myeloma in the last year and a half. You can always click on View Tweet to go to the original tweet from the KOL profile that you're looking at. Another helpful tool on this Chrome extension is the AI chat. For each of the clinical trials listed here, if you want more information, just click on the AI chat button. From here, you can ask questions such as, what are the results of this trial? The results will then populate and you will have a link to a tweet with those results. There we go. And here we're looking at Dr. Moivrudin, who is another myeloma key opinion leader. And I just scrolled over his name to get access to his open payments dataset. Please visit the Chrome store and download the KOL Pulse AI Chrome extension and send us any note to kolpulse.com. Thank you.